Today we're going to clear the jam two-sided error on your Brother HL-6200DW.
Before working on your Brother machine, please allow it to run for 10 minutes to allow the fan to cool the internal parts. We will begin by pulling the paper tray completely out of the machine. If there is jam paper in the tray opening, remove it using both hands. Next, turn to the back of the machine and remove the two-sided tray. Check for any jammed paper under the machine and remove. Next, open the back cover. Open the fuser cover by grabbing the green levers on the left and right side and pulling them towards you. Remove any jammed paper in the fuser unit by gently pulling with both hands. Close the fuser cover. Now close the back cover. Replace the two-sided tray. Finally, replace the paper tray firmly inside the machine. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.